dodo bird. That's not a dodo bird. You thinking of what's happening? Yes, it is. Oh, it stole my meat. That was not a dodo bird. I'm not sniping it right now, though, I'm not gonna lie. Stealing my Tinto berry seeds, too? Stop stealing my stuff, man. So how many arrows are you gonna take? You're a bird. You just like tank like 50 arrows. Oh, now I drop my weapon. Favorite Twitch stream moments? That's kind of tough. I haven't been. You mean like of my own stream or like other people's streams? It's right here. I'll put this right here. Nope, I didn't do it. How do I place this? Like that? Yeah. So now when I die, I should spawn right there. What can we do the poison arrow yet? Yes! Okay. Get that trank arrow. Okay, and this is the metal stuff that I want. Let's do the trank arrow first. So how do I make a trank arrow? I need narcotic, which I can make here. With consumables, drugs, narcotic. For that I need narco berry and spoiled meat. So the spoiled meat, just like passively, meat is just constantly spoiling. Oh, I didn't even notice they've been like talking in chat all this time. I don't know how long they've been talking in chat. These people are on the same map as me. Should I introduce myself? Try to make some friends. Hello. Oh, wait. That's not how I type. Oh, here we go. Hello. I want to join a tribe. I don't know if anyone's gonna respond to me, so let's see. I think I got some narco berries somewhere. Okay, so I can make at least a couple of these seeds. So I think I have to throw that in there maybe. And then I have to throw the meat in there too. And that's enough for one. Yeah, I need a lot more narco berries. Currently this is all I'm doing right now. I quit my job because I didn't like it, so I'm just gonna try to make it as a streamer for the near future. Make another one? No, I need more narco berries. Oh, it's daytime, thank God. Before I go get the narco berries, I think I'm gonna make some of this, like things that I can make armor with. So I need like iron armor and like iron tools. So I definitely need a refining forge for that and a smithy, I think. The smithy is how I make the tools, but the forge is how I make the iron. Nice. That sounds fun. I thought about doing game development too, but then I ultimately decided not to. Okay. Where is that refining forge? So I need a lot of hide and a lot of stone. Let's alright, so we're gonna go get some hide and we're gonna go get some stone. Any arrows? Yeah. I don't want to go that way because that's where the T-Rex is lurking. I could kill that thing, I just need to trap it with the bola first. I kind of want to save this trike, I feel bad, but I feel like I'm going to accidentally punch it and it's going to try to kill me. So let's, we'll just go back to the beach. Go this way. So dark. Oh, I hear a dodo bird. Got him. Like a base that somebody built. I wonder if I can tame one of those. I need to like make narcotics and stuff first, so let's just focus on that. Alright, we can kill these things. You. Got him. Oh. Whoa. I forgot that these things just like run away. Back. Oh, this thing won't run away. Not yet, at least. Oh no! I'm fucked. I'm fucked. Oh, I killed it. Anything else chasing me? Whew. I think that one was low level. What else? This thing? Oh, there's that thing again. I'm back. Kill this thing. Okay, so there's like a whole, like usually you spawn, like in the other map you always spawn on like the edge of the beach, which is like the bottom, it's like on the corner of the map. It looks like I kind of spawned closer to the middle of the map. It's kind of cool. Dude, this thing, is this the same one? Like a T-Rex, no, this is a trike. Back here. I'm not going to the snow biome. No way in hell I'm going to the snow biome right now. Not until I have some iron stuff. How much hide did we get? Got 97 hide. I'm gonna fill up my water jug again. looking for. Got him. I think I'm just gonna stay here. Like, I'm just gonna keep hunting during the day. And then in the night I can go focus on making stuff. I'm also gonna auto hide enabled. I wanna unhide the chat. I don't know how to do that. Something chasing me right now? No. Actually, I'm gonna kill this thing. I'm here. Give me your hide. Oh, that's a lot of hide. Let's go. So I should make another bola, because that was really good. I need stone for that. Get stone. Alright. I'm gonna quickly look up how to turn off auto hide. Actually, I'm gonna do that later. I don't feel like doing that now. Too much effort. I'm just gonna kill this pterodactyl instead. It broke. Can't make another one? How do I make another one? I need flint. Go. Oh. Come back here. I don't think I'm gonna get it. Alright, make another bola. Level up. Oh wait, is that one of those things? Or is that a trike? Oh, that's a trike. Level up our damage again. And our movement speed. That. Frickin' missed. God dang it. Just a fiber for that. I wanted to see if you could get hide from like dead bodies, like dead human corpses. Make another bola. Level up our crafting skill. Crafting skill makes it so you can craft things faster. I want to make another bola, which I need fiber for. Now I draw out my weapon. What in the heck? How did I drop my weapon? Did it steal my weapon? I don't know what's going on. I'm getting the hell out of here. It's stealing my inventory. Oh, if I had a bola, I could trap it. Dive bomb me, I dare you. I need to get my slingshot. Alright, buddy. Oh! I'm gonna go see if I can find my... I was able to pick up my slingshot, so maybe I can pick up my bow. I just didn't see it. That was chaotic. How do I make another bow? I need fiber and wood. Is that my bow? That's my bow. Get my bow back. Get in my inventory. Well, that kind of turned me around a little bit. Kind of lost track of what I was doing. Let's level up crafting speed again. I think I wanted to make another bola so I could trap some more stuff. Make some more hide. Is there anything else I want to make? I have a lot of crafting points. What do I want? Definitely want some more tinto berries, so I could actually let's do that. Let's do that before it becomes nighttime. Just get a bunch of narco berries. Maybe some. I feel like this, there's something different with this map where you level up faster or something. Like, I've only been playing for like an hour, and I'm already like close to getting like iron stuff. That seems like that usually doesn't happen to me. Maybe something with the server, actually. But that thing can kill me. Let's go this way. What's that? That's a dead body. Oh, I hear one of these things. Oh, there's two now. Nice. Oh my god, get away from me. can level up. Let's what do I want? What even? Something coming after me right now? Oh no 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 no! Oh no! I'm surrounded. Okay. Let's level up speed so I can get the hell away from those things. Oh, I just did damage. I meant to do speed. Oops. Okay. They're fighting over there. Oh my god, dude. Those are raptors. Get me away from the raptors. Raptors, like, oh my god. Oh. Raptors, you just have no chance against in the early game. Like, they're insanely fast. And they'll just kill you. Okay. Okay, run away. I should make a door, another door on the other side of that house. Oh my god, dude. I don't know why, like that, like when do they attack you? Is it if you get close enough?